Hi peoples. Yeah. So I'm playing futsal tomorrow. It's like soccer mixed with indoor soccer, but I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, I've been having some like really hard times and stuff. My aunt has cancer and she got a really bad blood clot and stuff like that. So, but she's all good now. So, yay. I'm gonna play Mr. Know-It-All by Kelly Clarkson. It's like her new single, you know. My other one that I love is What Doesn't Kill You. And then it's like, what doesn't kill you makes you strong. That's really good. So I'm gonna play this one now. So that's Mr. Know-It-All by Kelly Clarkson. If you guys want the notes or anything, just message me. But there's this like one website that I love to go on for music. I'll put that in a link if you guys want me to. So, alright, see ya!